My discussion is again on 4.3.2 where I'm using an alternative method to find the coordinates of M. So we got these coordinates of M negative 16.8 from a previous method, and so now I'm going to find this method again. I'm going to use this method again to find the coordinates of M. I'm using a different approach now here. What we know that this is OK is root of 180, and this is root of 180, and this is root 20. In other words, I can write this. In other words, I can write this as in another way. I am going to write this another way. Looking at the question which says it is 3 times the radius of the circle. The radius of the circle is 3 times. The radius of the circle is 3 times that of the center. Okay. So I use that perspective here. I use that idea here. This is my 3. If this is 3, and this OM will be 4. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. I hope that's clear. Now what I'm going to do now here is I will drop a perpendicular here to the x-axis. A perpendicular. I put this name as A. So OAK is a right angle triangle, and from B also I will draw another perpendicular. Right. What happened here? Yes. Safe. Sorry about that. Now here, this OA distance we know. It is negative 12. Now the question now here is I need to find the coordinates of M. Therefore, if I find OB, so my x coordinate of M will be OB. I hope we agree. How we do this is we look at it. I look at the triangle. I look at the triangle OAK, right, and look at the triangle OBM. Look at the triangle. You can see this is a angle A and angle B, and definitely I can write this. They are perpendicular. They are parallel. Because these two are perpendicular. So my first conclusion here is that OB, BM is parallel to AK. All right. You can either write by construction, or you can say angle A is equal to angle B is equal to 90 degrees. That's my first conclusion. BM is equal to AK. Once I conclude that, I can write OA. See, OA over OP. OA over OP is equal to OK over OM. What reason we can put? Yes, you identified correctly. This is proportionality theorem. This is proportionality theorem because BM is parallel to AK. Because BM is parallel to AK. Now OA is negative 12. So OA is negative 12. We know that OB is, of course, distance cannot be negative 12, but we can write positive 12 if you want to, and then later change OB to positive. So you can also write this as positive 12, and OB, we have to find OB now. We know OK is 3. We can see OK, the relation between OK and OM is equal to 3 over 4. Right? From the information that we have from the question paper. From the question. Therefore, now I find OB, I cross multiply. Therefore, I get OB is equal to 12 times 4. And I divide by 3. I get 16. Definitely OB is on the third quadrant. Therefore, OB is equal to negative 16. But y is equal to half of x. But we know we have y is equal to half x. M lies on the line. Y is equal to half x. M lies on the line. Y is equal to half x. So I apply that property here. What happened here? Okay. Y is equal to here. Y is equal to half x. Therefore, my is equal to half times negative 16 is equal to half 8. Therefore, I can write here. I can write my answer here. That is negative. Negative 16 and negative 8. So that's how I get there. That's how. Let me write once again here. Some problem issue with this. Sorry about that. So I write here y is equal to half x. Therefore, is equal to half times 16 is equal to negative 8. Therefore, m is equal to negative 16. Negative 8. That's my answer. So here we applied a different perspective of mathematics. That's why mathematics is interesting. We can do it many ways. Here we apply the proportionality theorem. So which you feel which is more convenient to you, you applied. Here I applied